Oh, hello. What am I doing, you ask? Well, I'm just enjoying a lovely cup of tea, because I'm British, and there's nothing us Brits like to do more than to sit down and enjoy a delicious cuppa. How about I show you everything you'll need to know about making a great brew? We're gonna make a traditional cup of tea, informally called a brew or a cuppa. You'll need the following: a mug, a bag of tea, a kettle, and milk. Never, I repeat, never put the milk in first. Insane! It's a cardinal sin and people will unfriend you for doing it. Here we have a general selection of the most popular teas you can buy in most supermarkets in Britain. Yorkshire tea, associated with the north of England. It's my personal favourite, and I think it's the one that easy will pick. PG tips, 1970s tea of the builders and monkeys. Look for yourself online if you don't believe me. Tetley tea, working class tea led by Gaffer and his animated tea folk. Earl Grey, Queen Liz's personal favourite, according to a royal insider. English breakfast tea, international hotel and B&B brew to go with your fried eggs and sausages in the morning. Okay, tea number 1. Thoughts?
Yeah, good. There's a hair in it.
Delicious.
My winner is